boys and girls, Rolling and Guts here, helping you have fun with English at home. Today, we're going to talk about rain, okay? And where does it come from? And we'll be having a little fun with it, okay? So first, we know that rain is very good for us, right? We all drink water. And also, it's good for growing fruits and vegetables, right? And it's also fun to splash around in. But Guts, you don't like rain, do you? No? No, he doesn't like rain too much. He doesn't like going for walkies when it rains outside. But we'll be talking about rain, okay? So we know that rains come from the clouds. That's right, that's right. But how does it happen? How does rain happen? Okay, so let's take a look.
Do you know where rain falls from? That's right. Rain falls from clouds. Clouds are made up of very small water droplets that are in the air. The water droplets stick together to form clouds. These small water droplets are very light, but when too many stick together, they become very heavy. When they get too heavy, they fall from the clouds. The water droplets that fall are rain. Would you like to do a science experiment with me? Good! Let's make a rain cloud. For this experiment, you're going to need a clear container. Any size or shape is fine. A pipette or eyedropper, water and food coloring, and foamy shaving cream. Are you ready? Good! Let's get started.
Okay, first thing we're going to want to do is mix our blue and red food colorings, okay? So let's go ahead and just put a little bit of blue in here. Okay, 1 scoop should do it. One scoop. Okay. Next, let's do the red. Okay, and that should be enough to make our food coloring colors, okay? So we'll add a little bit of water to mix it. Ooh, look at that. And the red one. There we go. We have blue and red. Next, we'll need our container. And we're going to fill it up about halfway with our water, okay? Over half. Oh, need it. No, that's fine. That should be okay. Next, we'll need some foamy shaving cream, okay? Ask your dad or someone if they have some, okay? Ready? Mix a nice fluffy clouds. Ooh, look at those fluffy clouds. Next, we'll go ahead and need the pipette or eyedropper. And we're going to get some of the colors and pipe it in there, okay? Ready? Let's do blue first. How many do you think it'll take before it gets into the bottom? Okay, let's take a look. Actually, let me get a little bit closer. Let's take a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28! There it is. Did you see it pop through? Wow! Let's do some more. There you go. That's how rain forms. Next, let's do the red.
There you go. We have some rain.
Okay, now that we had some fun making some rain, I hope you had fun watching us with your English at home. So until next time, goodbye. Bye bye.